We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Happy Vlogcember day 2. Today you guys get to open these. These are advent calendars. It's Markham's first time.
You excited, Lily?
Lily's. And this is Markham's. So how this works is you open each day. Can you hold that, Daddy? So can you find number 1? Where's number 1? Ooh, that's a 1 in it. That's 12. Here's number 1.
Right there.
Very good though. Do you know what's inside? What's inside?
I don't know this.
It's a chocolate.
Look at me.
Oh, it's a little drum.
Yeah.
The poem says, "'Twas." Can you eat it? Eat it. "'Twas." Oh, she's banging on the drum. "'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse." Markham's turn, and then tomorrow you open another one every day until Christmas.
Eve.
Eve. Christmas Eve. You can tell I haven't had one in a while.
Yeah.
Markham, this is yours.
Okay, let's see. Where's number 1, buddy?
On the same spot.
Wow.
How convenient. What did you think you got? It's the same poem, so I don't need to read it again. And you got a drum too. You want a drum? Okay. Here, Bubby. You only got 5 teeth, so. It's a pretty thick chocolate, huh? Oh, you gotta bite it. There you go. Pretty good bite, huh?
Yum, yum.
This is my kind of breakfast. No, we were actually really healthy today. David made smoothies.
Yeah, there's the remnants of them right there.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Hey guys, here's my face. So as you can see, I'm doing French fries, and I know you're probably impressed with my cutting skills. Normally I do like wedges and they look better, but this is the first time I'm doing like actual fries, and I made a boo-boo. I knew better. Well, I did a couple things wrong, but the one thing that I know that I shouldn't have done, our pans are non-stick. Like, I've made a loaf of bread, I have a loaf pan, and it just, like, I turned it over and it just fell out. But I think I put that in the vlog, you guys saw that. But I put aluminum foil, which I did last time. I made these other fries, and I was able to flip them. This time they're completely stuck, and I can't flip them. And I don't even know if they're gonna be edible.
So we'll see how they go. This is the first time I wanted to try and do crispy fries. I normally like them soggy, but for the crispy lovers, darn it. Here's a little peek. So you can see this one was very, very thin. And it's getting a little crisp, a little dark, but the thicker ones, I don't know if they're like cooking. Hopefully they're cooking. But I just tried to flip them and I broke like 2 of them. They cannot flip. So if they stick to the foil, we can't even eat them, which is no good because Lily is not a fan of weak pasta. So this was gonna be for her. Okay, I was able to flip 2 of them and then I gave up. I turned on the broil. So some of them are crispy looking, others are cooked. There they are. I have made better looking ones. Oh my god. We'll see if they're edible. There's a couple of them that I can pick out and give them to Lily. Let's try one. They're definitely crispy. They're good actually. Dave was laughing at me. I almost choked on a fry.
So I got out and I got to try one of her french fries. Man, they're really good. They actually cooled down really quick. I was surprised because probably because of the weather right now. It's so cold now. We're not used to that in Florida. But Markham even likes it. He took a little bite. Didn't you? You liked them, huh? Yeah, you did, huh? I like the spicy ones a lot. What'd you put in the spicy ones?
A bunch of stuff.
It's a bunch of stuff, and I like a bunch of stuff. My back was turned as I'm filming, and look who's taking all the fries. She won't give me any.
One for the plate, one for me.
I'm gonna be leaving actually in a little bit, so Jenna made this kind of dinner. We're having pasta, and the fries are for the kids.
It's lunch.
Lunch, not dinner. Thank you. Thank you, Markham. But yeah, she's making Lily's plate right now. But I am gonna be leaving shortly actually to take my dog Tyler in to the doctor's. So I have to be eating quick and then go, and I'll put him in the video. You guys haven't seen the dogs in a long time. All right, so I picked up Tyler. Tyler's right here. He's ready to go to the doctor. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's gonna get himself checked out. I haven't told you guys. It's been a little bit, but we haven't been vlogging that much anyways. Our dog Cody, he passed away, and so it's just been hard, and that's why we're getting all the dogs checked out, making sure everything's okay, because he was very depressed when buddy, you were depressed when he passed away. He was kind of just sitting there moping and all that stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna go and see how long it's gonna take to go to the doctor, and they have to come out. Since there's a virus, you can't take the dogs in. They come out here and pick up the dogs and they take them inside, and then the normal appointment that takes 20-30 minutes is sometimes 2 to 3 hours. So it's kind of crazy.
Dada, hello. I was smoking mommies and daddies. I missed you so very much, Dada. I love you, Dada. I love you, Daddy. So I want to give kisses, Dada. Are you for me, Dada? For me? Okay. Daddy, I love Daddy and Daddy gonna come.
So David left the camera in the car. Bad boy. I'm just kidding. So we all came out and we were not ready for this blizzard. Look at them.
I know, they look like my snowballs, don't they?
Markham doesn't have a jacket that fits him. He grew out of it, so he has to wear Lily's old one, which she still fits. It's 18 months, and the one she's wearing now is 18 months. Hi, Lily. Yeah, she got her mittens on. She's prepared. Markham's cuddling.
As you can tell, I'm not at all. I got shorts on. Okay, so today kind of was a office day. We didn't vlog as much as we wanted to. I left pretty much a good portion of the afternoon with the dog. So we just wanted to say thank you guys for always watching our videos.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3.
Say bye-bye, Lily.
Bye.
Say bye, Markham. There you go. Bye-bye.